I've been asked many times, why church facility stewardship? So I've spent the last 34 years of my career helping churches navigate their facility issues, from designing them to planning the utilization of them to getting them built. And now I spend my time helping churches focus on how to steward their facility. It's not easy to steward a facility. We have tight budgets. We don't have enough staff. We're having to deal many times with volunteers. We have a congregation that are all feeling like they're our bosses and not really our boss. So there's many things that we deal with from a facility stewardship standpoint. But I assure you, as a facility steward, it is incredibly important what you do. So think about this. Churches are not just the house of God. They are complex commercial structures. Just like your shopping center, your shopping mall, the banks that you bank at, those are all complex commercial facilities. Your church is the same way. It takes intentionality to properly steward it. And with that, you need as much help as you can. And our team is here to support you. We have facility stewards that can come to your site. They can help provide facility assessments to give you a baseline of what's the condition of your facility. They'll let you know how much deferred maintenance you have, how much life cycle planning should you have. And then we have software. eSPACE is a tremendous tool for facility stewards in planning the utilization of your building as well as the long-term care of it. We want to be here to help you. That's why we are committed to church facility stewardship.